Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Pisces, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity, Pisces, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies. We have the Hangman, Postulant of Stars in reverse, and Five of Moons, guys. Pisces, so in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you are in a circumstance, maybe in your work or in this relationship, there is someone, maybe in your work, they are not telling you the truth, but maybe they are creating a situation out of lies or some kind of an exaggeration. So they are exaggerating some problems and acting, maybe trying to deceive you, or trying to change the way things are, maybe turn the focus, turn your attention from something. And this person is quite, what to say, selfish, and they have evil intentions towards you. So if it is someone in your work, you need to be really careful with them, guys. Maybe they are hiding the truth, or they are creating a situation, maybe take your attention from something, and behind they are doing something very bad. So you have to be really careful with this person. And you are maybe stressed, you are already stressed for about certain things. Maybe you would have done something wrong, you would have done some mistakes, and you are having a lot of anxiety today regarding the mistakes or whatever has happened, and even this person is not telling you the truth. So it may be a situation in your career, or it may be in your relationship, guys. So maybe this person is not coming out with the truth, and you are regretting something that you did. It may be some mistake, something you said or something you did to this person. You are regretting all that, and you want to come to an understanding with this person. But this person is not telling you the truth, what has truly happened. And maybe, Pisces, if you have honest intentions towards this love, you are going to come out of this difficult situation, because your intuition is going to guide you today, guys. It is going to guide you and help you out, and you are going to see things more clearly today, with more clarity, and you are going to have a better insight in your situation and a better perception. So the way you see things is going to change today, with your intuition helping you, or with your situation changing, guys. So there is a dramatic change happening in your situation, Pisces, if you have honest intentions towards this love. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is the Fool in reverse. So again, this card stands for the mistakes you did, something you did without thought. That is the reason for this situation, and you are regretting those mistakes, guys, today. And With the previous cards, we saw that you are going to see some change coming up very soon, Pisces. So you need not worry. That is what I would say. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Two of Suns. So maybe in your work situation, you are seeing new possibilities coming up, maybe some partnership, some kind of a collaboration coming up in your work situation, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun, where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, you need not hold back from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness. So you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.